Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Hey, this is Paul with Jones and Four Tools, live at the JFT studio. Alright, we're back. We got the headlights in. It ain't all done, but I just want to make sure it works before I put it all back together. So there's a little issue trying to put these lights in because of the fan, but I'm going to show you that here in a second. Stand over here and don't film it, just focus down here. Do you see this red thing? Let me see what you got. Yeah, that's oh hell, you already started. Good, it don't matter. All right. Hey, so these lights they'll fit in this way, but the problem is putting this on. This circle right here is not a big enough diameter. So they were smart when they made these. All you have to do is undo that, just turn it, comes right off. All right, and you take this thing, you stick it through here. Pretty amazing. Get this. We're gonna go on top of here, put it back together. It just clicks into place. Then we take this and we stick it down into the thing. All right, wait, what am I doing? These things don't want to work out when you want them to, but it's okay. Here, already pulled out the first nut. It is a 10 millimeter. This is what it looks like. Bolt. And it went right here. Now I'm going to remove this next one. Getting ready to, yeah, this sucker's being a little, I said it did a little bit more with the tool instead of my hand. All right, now let me tell you something about this magnet tray. I always forget to use them, and I put the parts all over the car, and then they either fall off or they get lost or something. Always use a magnet tray, okay? All right. Now, we can do it two ways. One, we can wiggle this light assembly out, or we could take the time and remove this right here, and this one right here, and this thing will lift up and it will allow us more wiggle room to get the light out. I think that's what I'm going to do, but I have to go get the little pry bar to get these out. Okay, this is what they look like when they come out. This one was right here. I'm gonna put this in the tray. And now we're gonna remove the other one. And this tool is very simple to use. You just slide it underneath there, squeeze the handle, bad spot. I don't know if y'all caught that. I dropped it down there. Okay, so I was able to wiggle off the light. It was kind of a pain, but I tell you what, loosening this up made all the difference in the world because it gave me just that much more room to wiggle this out. So the next step is to remove this wiring harness. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Let me get my pry bar. Okay. Oh man, my phone is upside down. All right, I was finally able to do it. All I had to do was lift this little thing up and it popped right off. But I had to use two hands because it hasn't been off probably since it was first put on. Then you turn this ring and this comes out. And the last part is you just got to wiggle this, and this didn't want to come out either, but it finally came out. This is the old one. I'm going to put the new one in basically the same way. Okay, here's the lights, the comparison. Okay, pretty different, huh? All right, here's the box, and they even come with gloves. We want you to wear the gloves so you don't get the grease from your hands on these lenses. The hand I'm holding the camera on, I got gloves on. So anyway, I'm going to install, and I'll let you know how it goes. Stand over here, and don't film it, just focus down here. Do you see this red thing? Let me see what you got. Yeah, that's oh hell, you already started. Good, it don't matter. All right. Hey, so these lights, they'll fit in this way, but the problem is putting this on. This circle right here is not a big enough diameter. So they were smart when they made these. All you have to do is undo that, just turn it, comes right off. All right. Then you take this thing, you stick it through here. Pretty amazing. Get this. We're gonna go on top of here, put it back together. It just clicks into place. Then we take this, and we stick it down into the thing. All right, wait, what am I doing? These things don't want to work out when you want them to, but it's okay. We don't cut out our bloopers. We leave them in for your enjoyment. Tools. All right, this will be the last clip for this video. I got the lights installed. Excuse me. Damn. But anyway, lights are installed, and they're bright. Now this is low beam. Let me show you high beam. So, yeah, they're bright, but they, how do I explain? They don't go out as far as I want them to. I've had better ones. I'm not saying these are bad, but they're not as good as other ones. So anyway, for the price, I got no problem. So I want to thank you for staying tuned for the rest of this video, and do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it. Appreciate your time. Have a good night.